I was moving my battery around and it was making some noise and something flopping around in there. It turns out it's just some hot glue. So I put my battery back together here, I guess. If you're wondering, they're just screws here all along the battery. And then this whole thing just comes off. But when you put the battery, just make sure the wires are back where they're supposed to be, that you're not pinching any. Should be able to see which way they were when you took it off, because they'll be bending that way. Yep, everything looks like it's in position. So now we can put it back together. Just put these screws back in. Then go back and tighten them up the rest of the way with my hand. Then I know how tight they are. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. I hope that was helpful. If you need help to get your battery off your bike without the key, click this video here.